This video will demonstrate how to install Brady NetDoc 3.0. It's important to note that although this video is demonstrating the install using Windows Server 2008, the install can be done on Windows Server 2012, Windows 7, or Windows 8 as well. To get started, you want to go ahead and turn on Windows features. In the Server Manager, you would just go ahead and select the role and add the Windows Server role. This will install IIS, ASP.NET, .NET Extensibility. You want to make sure IIS is in IIS 6 compatibility mode. You also want to make sure your application development, management tools for Management Console, and all these other features listed on your screen are turned on. Also, before you install, you want to make sure that you have SQL Server installed and set up and configured properly. In this example, my SQL Server is named NetDoc Server 08. I'm going to right click and select Setup and Run as Administrator from the installation CD. Let the install begin and click Next. I'll accept the license agreement, add my username and organization, also my serial number. I'll click Next to install in the default folder, Install, and once it finishes, NetDoc will be installed and placed in your inetpub www root folder. Again, if you refresh your Add Remove Programs, you want to verify, you'll notice that NetDoc will appear. If you open up IIS and expand IIS, you'll also notice the NetDoc application should appear underneath Sites and in the default website. If you go to Authentication, make sure that Anonymous is enabled. Also, if you go to Basic Settings, make sure the application pool is set to .NET, ASP.NET 2.0 Classic. That's important. Click OK, and again, OK to save your settings. Now you can browse to the application. If everything is set up correctly, NetDoc will open onto your data source screen and allow you to select a database. On the data source screen, you would input your SQL Server connection info. If it's a new database, you would check Create New Database Tables and click Connect. If it's not, you would just click Connect and leave that box unchecked, and it would connect to your existing NetDoc database. Now, you're at the company screen, Internet Explorer 8. You'll notice updated browsers such as Google or 11. You'll notice the updated NetDoc with circular buttons and gradients for more appeal. So now we can add our new company, Brady Corporation, your address, city, phone number. You can save and then click the Launch Application link. You can click the Infrastructure area. The Infrastructure area allows you to add your company, your campus, your building, your floor, any outdoor telecommunication spaces. Within a floor, you can add indoor work areas, spaces, racks, and so on. Once all your infrastructure is set up, you can click on the Documents tab. You can select any level of your infrastructure items and begin adding your assets. This concludes the installation of NetDoc. We hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy using NetDoc 3.0.